In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Google Analytics custom reports for e-commerce. Begin by opening Google Analytics and landing on the Analytics home screen for the property you want to work in. This is the main dashboard where you get a quick snapshot of performance. But for custom reporting, you will move into the Analysis workspace. From the left-hand navigation, click on Explore. Explore is where Google Analytics lets you build deeper, more flexible reports than the standard ones. It is designed for custom analysis, and it is especially useful for e-commerce because you can focus on the exact metrics and dimensions that matter to your store. Once you are in Explore, look near the top for Template Gallery and click it. The Template Gallery gives you ready-made starting points, so you do not have to build everything from scratch. Using a template also helps you follow a proven layout, and then you can fine-tune it to match your e-commerce goals. Inside the Template Gallery, click on the option labeled Highlight. This opens a templated exploration that is meant to showcase key insights in a focused way. Give it a moment to load, since it will populate with the default fields and layout. After the exploration opens, click on Highlight again, as shown in the interface. This brings your attention back to the main exploration view, where you can adjust what you are looking at and prepare it to act like a custom report that fits your needs. At this point, it helps to take a second to confirm you are in the correct property and that the data range is appropriate for your analysis, so you are not interpreting results from the wrong time period. Next, click on Settings. Settings is where you control how the exploration is configured, including the format and how the information is displayed. This is the control center for shaping the report experience, and it is the place you will return to whenever you want to refine what the report emphasizes. Finally, click on Highlight one more time in the Settings area to bring the relevant configuration section into focus. This is the last action in the flow, and it positions you to continue customizing the exploration based on your e-commerce reporting needs. And that is all there is to it.